Good evening, this is Shane McDonald. It's going to give you an update on the hurricanes and tropical storms in the Atlantic Basin and what it's going to affect on land in Atlantic Canada. Right now, we have a trough of low pressure, which is right here, which is given essentially 50 to 80 millimeters of rain. We have a rainfall warning for 50 to 80 millimeters of rain, and we also have Hurricane Ophelia, which is right just southeast of Bermuda, and it should go in general area like this, and there should be, the trough is going to stall there until that moves, which is going to deflect this away a little bit, but it all depends how close that actually comes to Nova Scotia to dictate how much rain and how much wind we're going to get. It could be an extra 25 millimeters Sunday night when it moves through, but the track is still a little bit under the gun right now, so until then we just gotta wait and see. But either way, we're getting 50 to 80 millimeters from the trough of low pressure that's coming through anyway. But anyway, we also have tropical storm Philip, which in a couple days the models have going generally westward and then be in the same area as Hurricane Ophelia's right now. And after that, there's going to be a high pressure system that's going to move off the coast that way, and it's going to try to steer it's either going to steer possible tropical storm or tropical depression or Hurricane Philippe. It all depends how it works, and either deflect it this way offshore or keep it there and add a spin to it and then move it up towards Atlantic Canada. It's yet to be seen, but until then I'm going to show you a model, which is the GFS. This is Hurricane Ophelia right now, which is in 36 hours, and 39 hours, 42 hours, and she's moving to Newfoundland, and she's out, and we got, now she's moving, clears up, there's a Philippe right here, and she's still moving slowly westward. And if you notice, there's a low pressure system just formed from a trough that would be coming in later on this week. This is Wednesday time period. You can see it gets its act together and develops a storm, and it stays there for a couple days. And look how tightly packed those isobars are, which dictates how strong the winds are going to be. They're going to be a windy, dreary week this week, and I'm going to show you what Philippe does. If you noticed, Philippe is down here and it's just stalling there. There's the high pressure system that's trying to move east. Still down there at 153 hours. She finally starts to move west, and she does not know where he's gonna go until that high pressure system comes to pick it up, which doesn't seem like it's gonna come very fast. Well, it looks like it's still hanging out there. It doesn't know where it's gonna go. It finally moves out to sea after 300 hours. It just doesn't seem right to me, actually. And we got another storm developing in the Caribbean, which pulls northward. We got another storm trying to develop off the eastern seaboard on 336 hours, which is still a long ways to go. It's nothing to worry about. But it just tells you that we're not finished with tropical storms yet. And we won't be for a while. So don't keep your guard down. Keep it tuned in, and we'll see how it works. But right now, we have a rainfall warning, which is 50 to 80 millimeters, and another additional 25 millimeters on Sunday night when Hurricane Ophelia makes its way through. It's not going to make a direct impact, but it will give us a lot more rain, which is flooding rains when it gets to 100 millimeters. So make sure you got everything, the gutters all cleaned out of the house, and make sure you're prepared for it from flooding in the low-lying areas. But anyway, this is Shane McDonald from the Weather Network Weather Pool blog that is on Facebook. And if you want any comments, just let me know, and thank you.